Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to the show today. We're going to be super cleaning the seats in my Mark 7 GTI with this, the Bissell Spot Clean Pro Heat. Alright guys, so I've had my car for a little bit over 3 years. We're coming up on 4 years with it, and I'm going through the interior and trying to really clean it, trying to bring it back to the way when it was whenever it was brand new. And the driver's side seat is pretty gross and pretty disgusting. One of my favorite parts about the car is the plaid seats, which to bring that back to life, we need to get them cleaned. I'll show you guys a little bit of a comparison here right now.
So if you guys can see, from sitting on this seat for the past almost 4 years, even compared to that, it's just really dark and nasty and dirty. So that's why today we're going to be using the Pro Heat Spot Cleaner, and we're going to be really trying to get all this dirt and grease and grime out of these seats.
Now, I'm not going to bore you guys with a super detailed unboxing, but we are going to open this thing up. We're going to check out, see exactly what you get with it. I'm really excited, really pumped. Heated extractors are very expensive. This one came in right over $100. So I'm excited to see how well it works and if it's going to be worth the money. But step number one is we need to get the seats out of the car. We're going to bring them in here, spot clean them, and then we're going to let them sit in the sunlight. So let's get the seats out of the GTI. So we just got the first seat out. It was kind of a pain in the butt, but as you guys can see, the seat is here. I'll show you the inside of the car real quick. It's disgusting, it's dirty. I'm gonna sweep everything out, and I'm gonna do the same exact thing with the Bissell spot remover in the inside of the car.
But you can just see the stuff that falls in between your seats. This looks like sand. I don't know, it's weird. There's like a little bug there too. But if you guys don't know, I have 2 dogs and my beagle sheds like crazy. I've taken him for multiple road trips in here, so there's dog hair and everything. So this is a good time to sweep out the floors.
And speaking of sweeping, that's gonna be the first step in getting these things super clean. We're gonna go ahead and sweep them, we're gonna unbox the Bissell, and then we're gonna start rocking and rolling. Alright guys, so this is her. It actually came with a little bit of stain removal solution, which is really nice. I'm gonna read the instructions here real quick, get a jump start on what we're gonna need to do with this. And we're gonna start extracting. This is super simple. We're gonna fill, this has pre-marked lines on it everywhere. We're gonna fill to this line with water, we're gonna add our formula, and then we're gonna be ready to rock and roll. I mean, it's pretty much plug and play. Everything came disassembled and I had to click everything together, but literally took less than 2 minutes to do. We're gonna fill this up and then we're gonna start sucking all that dirt out of that seat. All right, well, the seat has been completely cleaned and extracted. Here it is right now. It's still wet.
Already can tell a nice difference between this is clean water right here, and this is what came out of my seats. So pretty disgusting.
So what I'm gonna do now is basically take the seat out, let it sit in the sun, let it dry completely out. The extractor sucks out a lot of the water in the product that it puts down. The seat is still moist, so I'm gonna sit in the sun, and we're gonna come back here in just a little bit and see how well it did. All right, guys, well, it's the next day. As you can tell, I have a different shirt on. The seats came out really good. I actually did the other one. This is the passenger side. The driver's side is in the car. I'll put some before and after pictures up so you guys can really tell. But for the price, to be able to get one of these little heated mini extractors, definitely worth it. I'll put a link to the extractor in the description to Amazon if you guys want to pick it up. Definitely would recommend. Not sponsored by those guys anyway, but just a really good product that I think would be useful to you guys. So anyways, thanks for watching this quick video. Hopefully you have a great day. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and click the bell so you know whenever we make new content. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.